Hi everyone, and welcome back to another how-to video. Today we're going to be doing gingerbread cookies. So first you need 65 grams of butter and 85 grams of brown sugar, and then we just mix that together. Once that's mixed together for about 3 or 4 minutes, it's time to add your flour. Now you want 175 grams of plain flour. You also want to add in a teaspoon of ginger, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. Mix that up all nicely. After a couple of minutes, once all the dry ingredients are mixed together, you want to add in 1 egg, and about a teaspoon of golden syrup. And then let that mix up nicely until it has formed your cookie pastry. Right. Once your cookie pastry is formed, it's time to get it out onto a flour board. Now, what we want to do is roll this out fairly thin, as it is gingerbread. So let's cover all this up. Remember to just scrape around the sides to get all of your cookie mix. And then onto our flour board. Now, roll it out. What you can do is you can just turn it over as you roll it out, just so that you make sure that the sides don't stick to the side that you're rolling on, and you can always flour it a little bit more. And then once you've got it a couple of millimetre depth, and just take your cookie cutter, any cutter you like. I've got a duck shaped one because my wife's choice. So yeah, you just cut out your shapes, and then they go onto a tray ready to go in the oven. So yeah, that's it. Put them in the oven, give them about 12 to 15 minutes on 170 on an electric oven. Again, middle shelf, but do just keep an eye on them, set a timer just so you don't burn them, because you want them to go just golden brown, which is a bit difficult to see considering the colour of your cookies. But obviously if you do overbake them, they will go very brittle, and you know, you don't want that. You want a nice snap to them, but you do still want them to, we don't want to burn them. So yeah, we'll get these in the oven and we'll come back to them. So it's been about 12 minutes, so let's check, see if these are done. Right, so there you go. You may not notice it in the video, but when you make them yourself, you will notice that they have gone slightly darker in some places. Now obviously that means that they are pretty much cooked. You just want to tap them gently just to make sure that they are firm and not gooey. And as long as you get a little bit of resistance, they're perfectly fine. You don't want to cook them any longer, because although you do want a little bit of a snap to them, you do want them to be sort of like a softer cookie. So that is it. They are now ready to go. We can ice them, or you can have them plain exactly how they are. So there you go. That is a very simple gingerbread cookie recipe. So that is the end of the video. Thank you again so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Laters.